In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Firstly, click the plus new button at the top left menu. Under Other column, select Journal Entry. Choose the date for your journal entry. For example, the date payroll was processed. In the Journal No field, enter an identifier. QuickBooks Online Auto increments this number based on your last journal entry. For example, for payroll, you might enter PPE date. Now, add the accounts you want to debit or credit and enter the respective debit or credit amount. Make sure total debits equal total credits at the bottom. Your journal entry must balance. Now to add optional details like description, notes about each line, and assign a customer or vendor if relevant, which is the name, and add notes that appear on the transaction. Also, you can upload any supporting documents. When everything looks correct and balances, click the green Save button at the bottom right.